Hi COMEDK 2026 aspirants. So in this video, as you can see in the title, I am going to discuss the most important chapters from physics, chemistry and maths. Okay, so when you start your preparation, make sure that you do not leave these chapters. You have to read them, understand them, read NCERT line by line and practice enough questions from these chapters, because these few chapters can actually give you 70% of the marks. Okay, so let's get started. First one, we'll discuss about chemistry, then physics, and then lastly mathematics. So if you see chemistry PU1 syllabus, okay, so it is unlike I can say unlike KCET PU1 in COMEDK is not of that less weightage. It do carry it do have a significant importance is still there. So how much questions you can see from some basic concepts of chemistry, you can expect almost 2 questions. Chemical bonding 2 to 3 questions. Thermodynamics also you can expect 2 to 3 questions. Equilibrium 2 questions. Organic chemistry here also 2 to 3 questions, even sometimes 4 questions. So these are the 5 topics that you must do first from your PU1 syllabus. Moving to PU2, chemical kinetics, coordination, haloalkanes, alcohols, aldehydes, all of them carries almost 3 to 4 marks of questions you will get. Even the same trend was followed in 2024 and 2025. So please make sure that you revise these chapters thoroughly. Now, when you are talking about this, we have something very, very important product for all of you. So if you are very serious about your COMEDK 2026 examination, then we have a crash course, a COMEDK 90-day online crash course exclusively designed for COMEDK 2026 aspirants. So what all things you will get here? You will get entire class 11th and 12th syllabus coverage, chapter wise PYQs and DPPs. Then you will get COMEDK test series. This test series we launched last year also, and that gave us many toppers across country. And next you will get PYQs questions in your real-time test formats. Live doubt classes will be there, you downloadable notes and everything, and you will also be you can also access our WhatsApp community. Now what is the course price here? So it is available at 5,999. Link is there in the description section. You can go click and then visit the website, understand the product and then quickly purchase it. Okay. So yes, we have our test series also. As I told you, this test series gave us many toppers last year, and the similar test series we are giving you absolutely free if you are a part of this crash course. Now moving forward, coming to physics, so you can see system of particles, almost 2 to 4 questions you will get. Gravitation, almost 3 questions, but recent year it has decreased. Mechanical properties and solids, almost you can expect 3 to 4 questions. Now similarly, thermodynamics you will be expecting 2 questions, oscillations 2 questions, and waves also 2 questions. Moving forward to PU2, the important chapters here are electric charges and fields, where you can expect 3 to 4 questions. Current electricity also 3 questions. Moving charges 3 to 4, EMI 2 to 3, and AC you can also expect 3 to 4 questions. Moving forward to maths of PU1. So if you see maths, I have clubbed it together because it has some chapters are in PU2 and PU1 also. So relation, function and sets, almost 23 questions you can expect. So this trend was followed in 2025 as well. Okay, sequence and series, almost 2 questions. Conic sections 3 questions. Trigonometry 3 questions, and straight line 2 questions. Integral calculus, almost 7 questions. Differential 7 questions. Vector algebra 3D 4 questions. Matrices 3 questions. Probability 3 questions. Okay, so these are the total number of chapters and the sections and the chapter wise number of questions that you can expect. So these are the most important chapters. Do first complete these chapters, then go for other topics. So that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you found this video helpful, please drop your comment and do let me know. And also do not forget to subscribe the channel. Once again, the COMEDK 90 days crash course program is live, and you can go and click. The classes will be starting from 31st of October, or I can say 1st of November actually. 31st we'll have an orientation. So quickly you can purchase. The link is there in the description section. Thank you so much.